What are the consequences of not cleaning my slate? When you don't clean your slate, it can lead to a lot of problems. Some of the problems are: soil will build up on the surface of the slate, making it tacky and dull. Tracked-in soil will damage the surface of your slate tiles and make them look ugly. It's important to remove tracked-in soil before it damages your slate tiles. The best way to remove soil is to stop it from entering the room in the first place. Removing outdoor shoes is the best option. If you can't get people to remove their outdoor shoes, then place soil mats at the entrances so people can wipe their shoes. Then dust sweeping or vacuuming is the best option. All of these options will stop soil and grit from damaging the surface of your tiles. Grit will scratch the slate and help remove the slate sealer. Dirt carries grit particles that have sharp edges. When the grit particles move or are stepped on, the sharp edges cut into the surface of your floor. The scratches change the appearance of the tile and trap soil. Over time, the marks build up, making the surface of the floor dull. If you mop a floor without removing the grit particles, water in the mop turns the grit into a grinding paste that causes more scratches than the dry particles alone. I hope you found this information about cleaning slate tiles helpful. If you would like to find more information about cleaning slate tiles, please visit our website at www.abbeyfloorcare.co.uk. Thank you.